If you have a small business, you should know that there are several ways to make your company grow. However, the most important thing is to understand the right time to make this happen. This is something that many beginners end up doing wrong, mainly to avoid overstepping the processes, phases, and moments that all businesses go through during their journey. Therefore, learn about the growth hacking strategy now. This strategy has been used by many successful companies to become big brands, such as Google, Uber, Airbnb, Dropbox, and LinkedIn. If done well, it will boost your business quickly and consistently. Believe me. To boost your business, you need to work on some very important aspects. These include business plans and models, financial management, strategic, tactical, and operational planning, marketing and sales management, team and quality, and business management, among many other pillars. However, we will show you here the growth hacking technique, which has turned many startups into gigantic companies, and it has been helping many types of businesses of all sizes. So, to try to make this subject very clear, we will explain the following points. 1. What is growth hacking? 2. How to work with this technique in 5 very practical steps. So, let's go. 1. What is growth hacking? In practical terms, it is a process of rapid experimentation and application of marketing strategies focused exclusively on the accelerated and efficient growth of a business. However, it is not a magic solution. For it to work, it is essential to combine creativity, curiosity, and analysis to identify opportunities and meet market demand or solve a problem. The main objective is always to boost the company's growth. This approach is often used by early-stage startups that need to grow quickly with limited financial resources. The focus is to acquire the largest possible number of customers with the smallest investment. To achieve this, experiments are carried out where teams formulate hypotheses, test their validity, and analyze the results. In this way, they identify opportunities that can accelerate growth in an organized and strategic way. For this reason, growth hacking is also known as experiment-based marketing. At the same time, a crucial aspect of the success of this approach is having a highly scalable product that one can grow without demanding a proportional increase in costs. In other words, the goal is to achieve exponential growth without investments keeping up at the same rate. This allows for significant expansion at relatively low costs. 2. How to implement growth hacking in your company in 5 very practical steps. 1. The right product service. The first step is to ensure that your company's product or service has high demand in the market. This means that it must solve a problem or meet a real need for people, something that they want to use. Many companies make the mistake of creating products for the wrong markets or markets with no demand. Therefore, focus on offering something that makes a difference and has demand. 2. List hypotheses and solutions. Get your team together and formulate hypotheses and solutions that can be tested. The goal is to find out which changes can bring quick and low-cost results. This is the time to think, what if? For example, what if we do something differently? Or, what if we adjust the product? And even, what if we change the approach to reaching customers? So, use brainstorming to come up with creative ideas. This technique, done individually or in a group, helps to explore all possibilities to solve problems. In other words, it is an activity to stimulate the emergence of creative solutions to a given problem or situation. 3. Testing. Now is the time to put your ideas into practice. So, define the objective of each experiment and the expected results. Organize your ideas and test with consumers. At the same time, it is essential to closely monitor the results. Try to invest as little as possible and focus on strategies that can go viral, such as buzz marketing or word-of-mouth marketing, which is a powerful and low-cost way to spread your message. 4. Collect results and optimize processes. Analyze the test results. In other words, which experiment presented the highest implementation ROI? In other words, the best return on investment made? Which test is the least complex to implement? How efficient is each tested solution? Does it have effects in the short, medium, and/or long term? Based on the results, analyze each experiment or test performed and assess which one or one worked, and consequently, which one or ones are worth continuing to work on. Then, work to optimize these processes and implement them in the company in a scalable way, applying them as the solution to be used. This way, you will continue to solve problems and meet the needs of consumers. As a result, your company will be able to grow quickly, exponentially, and sustainably. 5. Look for new problems and repeat the cycle. Always keep in mind that growth hacking is an ongoing process. In other words, it is not about launching an idea, testing it, approving it, and finishing the work, but rather always seeking to improve and optimize what has already been done and achieved. At all times, it is necessary to serve and improve the experience and satisfaction of your consumers. So, after finishing a cycle, go back to the beginning and look for new opportunities, problems, or needs that can be met. In other words, go back to step 1, which we discussed here, and repeat the entire cycle, always looking for new problems or needs to be solved or opportunities that can be taken advantage of. This is what will ensure that your company continues to grow sustainably. With growth hacking well executed, your company has a great foundation to work on its growth in an organized, well-planned way and with a very solid information base. And this strategy can be used by all types of companies. Even small ones do not have a very high investment power. But remember that there is no magic formula. Growth hacking requires curiosity, creativity, and good analytical skills. All of this is to find opportunities that few have noticed before to accelerate the growth of companies. In addition, before thinking about making your company grow, you need to organize and manage your business professionally and consistently. So, if you want to know how to organize your small business in the right and coherent way, watch this video that shows fundamental tips to make this happen. To watch it, just click on this button here above or on the link in the description. And just to recap what we talked about here. 1. What is growth hacking? 2. How to work this technique in 5 very practical steps.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.